Hey there, future investors. Welcome to this quick guide on how to open a Robinhood account. If you're new to the world of stocks and trading, Robinhood is a fantastic, user-friendly app that lets you buy and sell stocks for free. In just a few simple steps, you'll be ready to start building your portfolio. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to download the Robinhood app. Head over to your App Store, whether it's Google Play for Android or the App Store for iPhone, and search for Robinhood. Once it's downloaded and installed, open the app and tap on Sign Up or Get Started. You'll be asked to enter your email address, phone number, or even sign in with Google or Apple for a smoother process. Next, verify your identity. Robinhood takes security seriously, so they'll ask for some basic information like your name, date of birth, and social security number. Don't worry, it's all encrypted and safe. After that, you'll need to create a strong password and agree to the terms of service. Make sure to read through them quickly to understand the basics. Now, link your bank account. This is crucial for funding your investments. Go to the funding section in the app, select your bank, and follow the prompts to connect it securely. Robinhood uses Plaid for this, which is a trusted service. Once linked, you can deposit money into your account. Start small if you're a beginner. Before you start trading, Robinhood might ask you to enable two-factor authentication for extra security. It's a quick step that adds an extra layer of protection. And that's it, you're all set. You can now explore stocks, ETFs, and even cryptocurrencies. Remember, investing involves risks, so do your research and only invest what you can afford to lose. If you follow these steps, you'll be trading in no time. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more finance tips. Let's grow our wealth together. See you in the next video.